this goes, there will be no room for hesitation. And so you plan every single move. It's all there in your mind. A perfectly worked out path to victory. Now granted, none of this will be easy. Each step must be executed with flawless precision. But as every shooter knows, that is the beauty of the challenge. The moment has come. Are you ready? Stand by. CZTS2. It's on.
B&T makes a wide variety of firearms, but this is by far the quietest. This weapon is based off the World War II veteran. There are only two moving parts when the weapon is fired, the firing pin and the bullet. The gun comes with two suppressors, one training suppressor and a duty suppressor. The duty suppressor has special replaceable buffers. These buffers ensure that virtually no gases exit the weapon. The VP9 is exceptionally quiet. VP9 has an extremely short ported barrel and a 5-round capacity. The weapon is designed to be as compact as possible, but can be assembled quickly in the field. In the right hands, it's an extremely capable weapon, and we think the VP9 speaks for itself.
Tough is more than just a label. It's ingrained in every fiber. The Stoeger STR9 is the very definition of rugged reliability and provides premium features that don't break the bank. Where durability and value converge, Stoeger reigns supreme. The Stoeger STR9. Every day tough.
I spent 28 years in law enforcement as a game warden, with nearly half of those years leading an elite tactical team formed to interdict and apprehend illegal and extremely dangerous cartel members, all operating in the United States. Our agency was actually one of the first to implement GLOCK firearms operationally. Our decision to go to GLOCK has proven itself time and time again. This pistol has all the engineered benefits of a Gen 5, yet combines a compact slide with a full-size frame. The GLOCK 45 MOS slide makes it easy to add and remove a reflex optic. I really like the front slide serrations. They offer a greater tactile surface choice when manipulating the slide, thus a more positive traction when your hands are wet or sweaty. I think in nearly 30 years of running a GLOCK as a competitive shooter, a professional operator, and as a shooting enthusiast, my GLOCK pistols have proven themselves a reliable constant that I can count on, that I bet my life on.
Hey guys, I'm Gregory Cruz. I'm the Chief Firearms Instructor here at the Smith & Wesson Academy. I'm super excited to present to you the M&P M2.0 Compact. The M&P 2.0 family just got smaller. We incorporated a 4-inch barrel and we removed approximately about a ½ inch off the length of the grip. We have an 18-degree grip angle and aggressive texturing to give the shooter enhanced control. So let's talk a little bit about the trigger on the Compact. It's light and crisp and has a tactile and audible reset. Compact pistol series has 4 interchangeable palm swell grips to fit the shooter. The Compact has an extended, rigid stainless steel embedded chassis and a low barrel bore access. Both of those combined give you enhanced shootability. Compact comes in 2 calibers, 9mm and 40 caliber. In 9mm it comes with 2 15-round magazines, and in 40 caliber it comes with 2 13-round magazines. Both pistols are shipped with 2 magazine sleeves that will allow you to use your full-size magazines in the compact gun.
Hey everyone, I'm Phil Strader here at the SIG Academy Pro Shop, and this month marks the 25th year that I've been shooting pistols competitively in USPSA, IDPA, Steel Challenge, Bianchi Cup, you name it, and I shoot it. And over those years, as you can imagine, I've seen a lot of technology, a lot of innovative products come out, especially in production division or stock service pistol in IDPA. And we've seen polymer striker fired guns, and we've seen really heavy steel guns, and they all have their advantages. Obviously, steel guns are really heavy and they have very flat recoil, although the recoil is a little sharp because the steel grip doesn't flex. Polymer guns are usually striker fired guns, same trigger pull all the time, get a lot of flex in the grip, feels really, really good. Well, what we've done here at SIG Sauer is we've combined the two. We've given the ability to put a striker fired gun in a really heavy package, and this is the 320 X5 Legion. This gun weighs 43.5 ounces, and it still uses a tungsten poly mixed grip module. So you have all the weight of a steel gun, but the flex of a polymer gun, and it's striker fired, so you get the same trigger pull every single time. It's an incredible advantage over the competition, and you're going to see these in stores very, very soon. You can find out more about this gun at sigsauer.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for all of our latest videos.